Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Oge. Well, many of you know my name is Oge actually from my tutorial on YouTube. Now today is based on a vlog about me as an upcoming trader and my mistakes I have made in this 3 years journey of trading. I started trading in May 2022 actually. That's when I was first introduced into the trading space. And I would say that I have learned a lot from ICT himself and from the coaches I have paid to learn Forex. I wouldn't lie, trading has not been easy because I work full time. I go to work in the morning, sometimes I come at night, analyze the chart. I got to learn that ICT has 160 models in the sense whereby there are different ways he marks structure and there are different ways people mark structure. I had issue with structure for a very long time. I wanted to know how to mark structure and it was something that was very frustrating because everybody is marking structure differently. I got a coach who marks structure based on ruler on trading view. He measures the retracement to I think 40 pips or so, and that is his retracement at swing point. I've met traders who use a change of character as a swing structure. I've seen traders who use swing point as also categorizing swing structure, and I've seen traders that do with three candle retracement. That's my coach. And jumping around, I've come to understand that they are all ICT models. They're all ICT models. It all depends on you picking one to channel your energy on. They are all profitable. They are all profitable. But the question is, I think that's where consistency comes in. I have jumped around, I have moved around, and I got to learn recently this year that moving around, learning almost all the IC, all the concepts, fair value gap, order block, breaker block, mitigation block, liquidity void, old lows, old highs. Even those that trade liquidity are trading old lows. My price has to start for the old low, and after tapping the old low, you're looking at the fair value gap for your entry, sniper entry. I've come to learn that after all this whole jumping and everything, we all still come back to the same concept of analyzing the market, forgetting if you're using retail trading, SMC or ICT. I'm going to post a video on ICT himself talking about you picking one model from everything he has taught, up to 100 concepts he has taught. Silver bullet, London kill zone, New York kill zone, Asian kill zone. You are the ones that will decide and pick one that would favor you, master it, and even though you are on a losing streak, always remember that you once made profit from it. I lost my profit at phase two because I was learning a new strategy and using it on the profit and I lost it. It's my fault. It's my mistake. I learned from it. I moved from it. But I'll post that 4 minutes video and please pay attention, listen to it, learn from it, take notes from ICT himself. I'm a work in progress. You're a work in progress. We're all a work in progress. I believe I make mistakes and I learn from it, and I always tell myself I won't repeat it again. So I believe you are a work in progress. You are making mistakes, and you're going to promise yourself that you won't make that mistake again. So I hope this my short video of like 3 minutes to 4 minutes plus ICT video will make an impact for someone struggling out there that knows all the ICT concept but feel like why am I still struggling? Well, we are the problem. We keep learning more and more and more instead of staying on one method. Even though you hit loss, you keep working on yourself.
But some of you will get caught up in this trap of constantly learning because you're afraid to sit down with one model, follow the rules, stick to that process, and let it yield whatever experience is intended for you. And then you have a baseline. That's why I could literally give out a model every single day. And some of you want me to do that. But the only thing it's going to do is it's like a dog in a meat market. You ain't going to know what to do. You're going to run around and you just chase everything instead of sitting down and say, you know what? I'll just have a fillet. Thank you. And I've done that with the 2022 model. I've done that just recently with the silver bullet model. I have lots more coming, but you don't have to have anything else. The optimal trade entry was enough. OTE pattern, the flagship that was on my YouTube channel. That's enough. The 2022 model, that's enough. You can use it in every session. London, New York, PM session. You can use it in London close. You can trade it in Forex. You can trade it in futures. You can trade it in crypto. You can trade it in whatever you want to trade it in. It works. There's no excuse. You have zero excuse not to have some baseline by now. You should have some kind of experience to be able to say, you know what? This works. And I have to work on refining it, but I know it works because I've seen it in back testing, looking at where it has done this in the past. I tell you what time to look for these things to form. That way you're not just going around and looking at charts blindly. Go right to these specific times of the day. That's where it's going to form. For those people that go back in their old data and their old charts and they study that, they see it, they don't need me to do 50 examples of that. They don't need to see me do it live 50 times a week. They're sold on the idea. Okay, there's something here. It merits more investigation because I see the evidence of this thing occurring. It's not contrived. It's not conjectured. It's not made up. It's not fabricated. It's really happening every day. And once you see that, you don't need to have anybody else to cheerlead for you. You know, okay, there's something here. I'm going to mine that. So I give you just a few models so that way you go in and you now start working on the skill sets that are required. Not veering off course, hopping from one PD array, one approach, fair value gap, inversion value gap, breakers, market maker models, buy, sell. There's 1,000 things out there that I teach. Every individual one of them is a model. Every single one of them is an individual model. But I give you, this is the best way to learn. I'm allowing you to pick your weapon. I've opened my arsenal doors. So here it is. Look what I have here. Pick your weapon. But nothing changes when it comes to time. Time of day, these things occur at specific times, certain days of the week, certain weeks of the month, certain month of the year. I'm allowing you to bring your personality, your personal influence, because you're the problem and you're the last puzzle piece. See, some of you are sitting around here, you're writing diligent notes, you're doing this, you're doing that, and that's wonderful. But you're all waiting for that last penny to drop. The last ICT puzzle piece. And then it's all going to come together. It's all going to be crystal clear. Once he tells me this one PD, the 81 PD arrays, final last one. That's it. That's it. That's the Holy Grail. No, it's not. If you walked over to your mirror right now, look at yourself real quick. That's the final puzzle piece. And it's always been you. You're the reason why you succeed, and you're the reason why you haven't succeeded yet. And ultimately, you and you alone are the only reason why you're going to fail. That's not me talking down to you. That's me telling you the way it is. That's just the way it is. Are you coming to me for a constant dose of something new, but have done nothing with what I've already given you?
So enjoy my short vlog. I told myself I was going to work on this vlog theme, but time. So enjoy my small vlog and don't forget to subscribe. And a big shout out to my coaches and my coach SK. Thank you. Bye.